In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom form using Tally. Now, whether you're looking to gather information, create a survey, or maybe even conduct a quiz, Tally.so is a powerful yet straightforward tool that can make the process a breeze. So let's dive into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Chrome browser and head over to Tally.so by typing it into your search bar. Once you're there, go ahead and sign up. Don't worry, it's completely free. This step will allow you to save your progress and manage your forms efficiently from the dashboard. Once you've signed in, you're going to create a new form. When you get to your dashboard, look for the option that says plus new form and give it a click. Now here's your chance to be creative. Give your form a title that reflects its purpose, whether it's a contact form, a survey, or a quiz. The title should be something that is immediately recognizable to your audience. Adding questions and fields is the next exciting step. Tally.so offers a user-friendly interface with various blocks you can use. For instance, you have the short answer block, which is ideal for collecting responses like names and emails. If you want to include options for respondents to choose from, the multiple choice block is perfect for polls or quizzes. Looking to receive documents or photos from your users? The file upload block will allow them to send files directly through the form. Lastly, the date and time picker block is an excellent addition for scheduling appointments. These blocks are incredibly useful to customize the response fields according to what information you're looking to capture. Customization is key to making your form engaging and easy to navigate. Tally.so lets you add images, headings, or page breaks, which can significantly enhance the overall user experience. And to make your form more dynamic, consider using form logic. This means you can show or hide certain questions based on the responses, making your form intuitive and streamlined. Before you share your form with the world, you'll want to ensure everything is working smoothly. By clicking the preview button located at the top right corner, you can test out your form to confirm that all questions and logic functions are in place. Ready to go live? By clicking publish, you'll generate a link for your form, which you can then share via email, social media, or even embed directly onto your website. This ensures your form reaches the right audience in just a few clicks. Finally, seeing the responses roll in is always rewarding. You can check all the responses right from your Tally dashboard. If you need to perform more in-depth analysis, options are available to export the data to platforms like Google Sheets, Notion, or Airtable. This flexibility makes organizing and analyzing your data hassle-free. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created and shared a custom form using Tally.so. With this tool at your disposal, the possibilities for gathering and analyzing data are nearly endless. Thank you for watching and happy form creating.